This course was a very great opportunity, especially for me.
Being able to kind of do the hands-on training of yeast display from start to finish is so invaluable. I'm a PhD student in the Harvard MIT Health Sciences and Technology program.
I'm from the University of Oslo. I'm doing my PhD in Spain.
I'm a postdoc over at MIT.
I'm currently working at University of Connecticut.
I am a PhD candidate at Vanderbilt University.
There are many antibodies for HIV studies, but I think there's room to discover a lot more powerful ones. And so that's why I'm really excited about yeast display.
That's amenable to a lot of different scaffolds and a lot of different approaches.
And to me, it's really cool how cells regulate what they're doing through a lot of secreted protein signals. Being able to engineer and manipulate that was very fascinating to me. And that's really what drew me in to try this yeast display class.
This course really is a blessing because I get to learn from people who target teaching in an understandable way.
I think that my favorite part has been the hands-on component. I got to sort of learn about it and then also at the same time do it.
The protocol is so detailed and also each step has an explanation. I really like that.
It's a good combination between the theoretical and the practical parts. Every morning, for example, we had seminars by experts of IPI, but also external people, like the inventor of the technologies.
All the instructors and people involved have been super helpful and fantastic and great.
And the ability to have that kind of one-on-one from the team at IPI is really valuable. And I think making connections with my peers has created a really powerful network that I feel like I can rely on after.
This very much enables me to do new projects, new science that I otherwise would not.
I've never seen another course that was quite like it.
It's been an incredibly happy, joyful, positive experience. I would recommend this course to anybody who thinks that yeast display might be helpful in what they do.
This is exactly for people like me. Then I feel very excited.
Very much would highly recommend.